Want to apply for the jobs in Australia from anywhere in the world? Let me show you the exact step-by-step process. In this video, we will directly apply for jobs using Seek Australia. No long theory, just real steps. There are main 4 top job portals in Australia: Seek, Indeed, LinkedIn and Workforce Australia. Today we will use only Seek because it's globally accessible, and another job portal you will see in the next video. First, go to website or go to Google, search Seek Australia and open the official website. Before applying for the jobs on Seek, first you need to register as a job seeker. Click on register or sign up. Enter your email address and continue. Seek will send you an email verification code. Type the code manually or simply copy and paste it here. Once verified, in this sector, you have to type your name, location, and your profession. And I'm writing here electrician, then present company name and job starting date here, and still I'm continuing. After that, you choose your classification, sub-classification, or you can leave it and then click here as public recommended. And read here, this is your digital CV. So then save and continue. In this section, create alert, complete your profile and see jobs. So we can create alert, then complete your profile, click here. This is the main section of Seek before applying. Now your account is almost ready, but you still need to complete your job seeker profile. Here you need to fill in the all your details step by step: profile summary, address, phone number, job history, work experience, education, skills, language, certification or license, even you have references. Basically the same information that appears on your CV. You should also upload your CV here as well. At the bottom of the profile setting, you can also choose your preferred job type, work rights, preferred location, expected salaries, and other job preference. Once you complete all these sections, your profile is ready and now you can start applying for jobs. Electrician jobs, or you can type your own profession here. Enter location inside Australia like Melbourne, Sydney, or you can leave it empty. Search. The listed job posts are here. Click on job title and read everything carefully. Job post expiry, job type, salaries, responsibilities and eligibility requirements. Maximum jobs required driving license in this position. If it matches with your profile, then go for apply. Click apply, apply via Seek. Here you have some questions automatically. And there is some employer questions you must have to reply here. And you have to mark the automatic questions is already here. And everything is done. Then review and submit your application. After you submit your application, and you must check your email address and make sure your application are received by them. After that, you will wait for their response. You are selected for the next step or not. If you are selected for the next step, maybe they will ask you about the interview. You will face your interview and I hope you will get your job offer from the employer by yourself. But this is not enough one single application. You have to apply every day. In the next video, I will show you how to apply from another job portal sites or another profession. If you found this video helpful, please follow and subscribe to support the channel and help it grow. Thank you for watching.